Hello, do you want to repair phone?
Yes, is this a phone repair shop?
That's right.
Can you check how much it costs to replace this screen?
Original screen, $350.
Handsome guy, you're so good looking, give me a discount, okay?
$330, is that okay?
Okay. You're so handsome, can you go even lower?
$300, you found me through my phone repair videos too, huh?
Yep. What's this camera for?
It's for recording daily life.
I'll record a bit too. Let's exchange contact info later.
Oh, no problem.
Are you free tonight, handsome?
I'll see how it goes after work.
Have dinner with me.
If I have time, sure. Let me get you a glass of water. Are you thirsty?
Yes. Thanks. You don't have a girlfriend, do you?
Nope.
Good.
Miss, your screen is replaced.
Thanks, handsome. I'll contact you tonight. You have to come out, there's a surprise.
Okay, no problem. Bye-bye.